It is July 13, 2023. So never got a call from a lady, older lady. Must be really old. The way she is talking on the phone. She's in a gated community and she hasn't had her AC for a couple of years. She wants to go by and see if I can figure out what's going on with her air conditioning. See if I get it working for her. She's got central air over there. A lot of them are Rudd units over there, and hopefully it's something simple. She got referred to me from someone else down in the area. It's got some pretty low-hanging trees down here. I don't know if I could even get in the area. It pissed me off with the way these trees are overgrown, and I can't go to work in there, and it's you know, getting to be a flippin' nightmare. Low-hanging trees from hell. So I don't know. Try to get in over here. I say something to the people over there about cutting the branches down. Oh, no one else complains about the low-hanging trees. It's like, lady, I got a brand new truck here. I shouldn't be having to push through tree branches to get to a flipping house on a main drag. So I don't know, if I can't get there, I'll just have to turn around and leave, that's all. We'll see. Flipping unbelievable, Molly. Oh yeah, it's unbelievable, Miss Molly. It's unbelievable, Miss Molly. Yeah. Low-hanging trees, got low-hanging fruit here. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. The first company, I just changed the filter. It was a little dirty. Nothing crazy, but enough to change it. They got extra filters here. We're gonna go run it, check the unit outside. I wasn't sure which one it is. It might be this one. I'm going to shut the first floor one off and check it. There's 2 units. I bet you it's that one that's not running over there. I'm going to check them both anyway. This one's running. This one's off. Okay, so this one's off. Seems kind of, I'm just going to turn that up. So that's the one that's running, the one that she says not working. It's working. I don't know what she's talking about. It's fine. Fine. Let's turn the first floor one on and check it. This should be the second. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't know what the hell she's talking about. Pick the first. Nothing wrong with these units. This one's nice and sweaty. They're both fine. Yeah, nice and sweaty there, see it? Oh, maybe it might need a little charge. Maybe a little bit on the second floor one. Maybe a little bit on that second floor. We're gonna check that one. Uncapped Bandit's been here. Put a 5 in there when they changed this motor. Look at the studs coming through. Let's check the charge. Compressor's not sweating. This is nice and sweaty. See it? Not too bad. I'm thinking it might be a little bit low, but nothing crazy. A little bit low, maybe. Put the gauges on it. If anything, it's overcharged. Look at it. It's overcharged. Look at the 32 on a subcoolant. That superheats at 11. And the 86, it's overcharged. Coil don't look dirty. Gotta take some out of it. that should drop that subcooling down. I took that thing off the top. Let's give it a minute, but yeah, it's gonna make a difference taking that thing off the top of that. 82 is kind of high on the suction. Yeah, not too bad, I guess. That one's a second. Yeah, see, we're coming up next to 20. That's going to be better there. Subcooling's a little high, but it's mismatched equipment. I'm going to mark it on there. Let's let it run for a bit. I did have that, and it's kind of blocking my... Alright, so it superheats around 20. That's looking better now. I had that on the top, stopping the air from circulating. It's not good, you know. But this thing's all rotted out here from being next to the salt water. That ain't bad there. Superheater 20. We're good there. I mean, the subcooling's high, but I'm gonna go by superheat because it's a piston. That's it. Button it up and we're good. I don't know what she's saying it's not working for. That's fine right there. What's wrong with that? We're gonna leave it right where it is. Yeah, subcooling's high, but in the real world, oil's pretty clean. Wouldn't hurt to hit it with the hose. A little flakies.